In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect business email to Activecampaign. Connecting your business email to Activecampaign is important because it lets you send and manage messages from your own address inside the platform. This helps keep communication consistent and professional, especially when you are working with deals and one-to-one emails. Before you begin, make sure you know the login details for your email provider and that you can access that inbox. Start by opening Activecampaign and looking at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click the Settings option, shown as a gear icon. This is where Activecampaign keeps the tools for configuring your account and the features connected to your workflow. Once you are in Settings, go to the left sidebar and click Deals. Deals settings include options that support your sales pipeline, including the email connection used for deal-related communication. After you click Deals, find and select Email Settings. This section is specifically for linking an inbox, so Activecampaign can send emails on your behalf. Next, click Connect an Email Account. Activecampaign will prompt you to enter the business email address you want to connect. Type in your business email address carefully, since this is the address that will appear as the sender when you email contacts. Then click Sign In to continue. At this point, you will be directed to your email provider's sign-in and permission screen. Follow the provider's login process, and when you see the request to allow access, approve or authorize the connection. This authorization step is what lets Activecampaign work with your email account securely. Take your time here and make sure you are signing into the correct business inbox, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After the connection is completed, return to the email settings area in Activecampaign. Locate the option labeled Preferred Email Account and toggle it to On. Turning this on makes the connected inbox your default sender, which means Activecampaign will use it automatically when you send emails from the platform. Once that is enabled, you are set. Your business email is now connected and ready to use inside Activecampaign. That covers everything you need to know.